I like one part. Listen. And if you win election, my brother, now God do win. I like that part.
So my part I like now. Nah. As now your wedding day, now God do win. Because say, and it don't stay with me, I dey fine.
God, okay. I see here. The way you relate to Shakara, that's your life for song. That day he say he hates Ojo Elegba because he no come from Ojo Elegba, so he know the minister to him. Now, marriage is calling you. And you have been searching.
Indirectly, he's telling us that he's ready.
The second line where you sing,
you are ready.
What did you say? You say,
I said, it don't take away I've been defined. I'm not finding now.
When this finding stops, sir?
Finding has stopped.
Since when?
No, because I don't get, but I know they find again. I don't leave unto God.
You don't forget last week was now this week now. When you say you date girl for you date one girl for 4 years.
For a World Cup time, where we say that.
He said the girl see they never crank. And he get how many? 3. Now he say he no get.
Yes, that's the mystery.
I bet when I just join us now, Bobo say on a day so.
I pity the girls waiting for your life.
Now my brother. Now the mystery waiting for this show. When I don't hear so.
No, the mystery is Shakara. Shakara is the word, the definition of mystery.
Bubbles yarn keta.
Oh, mystery.
Now we be the bubbles yarn. This one, now mystery. Mystery.
How far?
I bet they call her mystical. Mystical, that far now.
Crazy.
I just imagine the day you want to marry as well. They go play that song for you. God must win in your life.
That day.
This year, Shakara.
Shakara. The day when you say bam, you want to marry. Oh!
Wedding day, that's not the song they play for my wedding day when I come to play. Oh, when the sense, how much you know, how much you know. When the sense, how much you know.
Oh, wait.
Lord, I want to be in a number.
So wait, even when you don't marry, you still believe, say, many girls go there out there. They cry. Say,
and you know what thing go be the second verse.
They be the same.
Lost and obey. For there's no other way. Hey.
But you know that waiting for.
I'm telling you.
Yes. You know why they waiting?
I'm telling you now.
How you go to feel when you sit down for that no, I forget altar. You can only sure say you go fit deserve today church marry.
Why?
I don't know where the
why you know deserve the church marry.
You should get the wrong way.
But imagine Shakara sit down for that podium, that stage with your wife. Then maybe they can't say chief bridesmaids can't day for back. Then the hall can't full. Maybe like over 80% are babes. How Shakara they feel when they look into like everybody eye when you know say don't cry. How will you feel on that day? Do you know somebody might not tell you, I object to this wedding.
I've heard chat up, I keep quiet and listen to rubbish when he talks since. You don't get any topic where we talk about.
Wait, you see this marriage matter here?
If you don't get any topic, maybe I get topic.
May we talk the marriage matter today. May we talk the marriage matter.
But I get topic. If you don't get topic, we carry come.
I don't say may we talk marriage matter today.
Now my marriage matter now.
Wait now, this your matter we'll talk now. We go talk marriage matter.
Because like this stupid boy, they influence you.
He no influence me.
But am I lying?
He just spoke.
Your wedding day
from
do you know the amount of girls who
now would you just keep quiet
homeless
and
heartbroken?
Come on, shut up. Have you not rendered anybody homeless or heartbroken?
And you know what I did? To make sure I will have peace of mind.
What did you do?
I started paying them off one by one.
Pay off.
You pay.
Pay off.
You have to pay.
You never go fix your car. You break down.
Your car. Where we say you start to do waka. I guess you dey pay.
Now you pay
I
off.
paid them off before the car had problems.
Wait, I beg. But we even talk this matter. I beg. You fit marry person where you just know for 1 month. In space of 4 weeks, 1 month, you fit marry that person. Like Mario,
yes.
Marry. Put for us. But we talk that matter.
For the first time too. Yes.
Yes.
For the first time.
If she loves me, if she's nice, we'll marry because
I don't believe in love.
One month, you don't believe in love. What do you call believing?
I just believe in compatibility.
How you take you believe say within space of 1 month, you go see the true evidence of love from the baby you just meet within 4 weeks, like serious true evidence of it.
Yes, you know, say even Ashawo, when you meet for club, serious Ashawo you meet for club. You know say get the one where you go meet. you know say this one dey tender, you know.
Yeah.
But na shower.
I see one some 2 days ago.
So why
you
be
na
say
regular you be.
No, I see this. I don't know. Say this girl
na you na regular. The one wey dey carry every day.
So if you feel differentiate for Ashawo, the one wey be say dey nice.
An experienced man.
Wey dey nice. Say this this Ashawo nice. Talk more of normal girl.
But
normal day-to-day girl.
No
wey
forget,
no be Ashawo. If you meet nice person, 1 month is enough. If I get to the sea,
thank you. That is the word I wanted to use.
Except on another sea.
But you know, say within space of 1 month, so many people they will say then they pretend. Pretense.
You cannot. So many
let
me tell you,
a lot. No, wait.
Drop that line.
Person fit dey wey be say, he go pretend for you until you marry him. He go show you in true color.
All women are like that.
Do you understand?
All
we have women like that. There are plenty women like that.
No. I'm not saying that. Not bad color. But most women, no, they stamp authority in your life or show you their real side until maybe when you don't
show sign
or no when you don't marry them.
Commitment.
That's why they say any woman is not fully married when she's married until she's 50% when you don't marry her. She is 100% in authority of your life where she don't get the first issue. And once she don't born pikin for you, who you be? Then she's confident, say, this is my man.
Now be that one where they say when woman first come your house the first time, she can tell you say, babe, I like your curtain, I like your chairs, I like your TV.
You know?
Then when you don't marry her, you say, honey, we need to change our bedsheet. Then when she born for you, when she don't born for you, she come tell you say, maybe I won't take your sisters coming into my kitchen.
My kitchen.
You understand? You don't come out now for them.
They don't come out you for the equation. So Nana, my.
This is what you remind me of yesterday where we hang out. Now, person. But our friend, the other one call him, he carry phone. He call his wife. They always like to and give me those wey don't marry. Now he call his wife. He don't do it for like for 2 days now. Each time he call his wife go just say no food for house. He called yesterday, say that the beans and yam where you chop for money, nice still remain. And he put on speaker. He said, I just say they say if person marry, say food always the house. But why the woman don't change you? She don't born pikin now. So all her focus now, pikin. There's nothing you can do to me. She don't cook again.
No, but I believe say the woman needs to be very, very careful. The woman needs to be very, very
Most
careful.
Most women are not.
No, she has to be careful. She go lose her husband.
You know what such people.
Food in marriage is necessary.
But nobody is saying the woman must be the one to cook the food. Especially when she don't born pikin. I'm just only saying.
How many months will the pikin?
Okay, let me tell you.
Don't reach 1 month.
Let me tell you.
1 month.
You know what's
no, we don't pass. I don't know. Maybe we pass 1 month.
You know what those people try to do now? It just be like when you cook soup, you get some spice where no they necessary sometimes
inside the soup.
But as far as meat and some other things don't they? But all those spices then they make the soup get. You know? Now so marriage be. Marriage be say when I marry. This one they do in work, this one born pikin, now be all those meat and other things. Then those cook wey she no call the cook again. Now spice we suppose they make relationship or marriage sweet. Now she no dey do. She dey gradually, you know say that soup wey no get too much spice, you get where you go eat and reach, you come dey tire.
No be lie, no be lie because this is what we're talking about when you say most of our women are where we get. When once they don't marry, they change color. And that's why most of even this 1 month. You know they 2 days okay. Only if for me, if you go they live with me every day.
Make we go outside, sharply go here with people guys talk. When we come back, we go continue the matter. You were in the house, think calm. You feel married woman where you just know within space of 1 month, which is 4 weeks, 31 days or 30 days. We come back.
Just for 1 month. It's not possible.
I no fit o.
I no fit.
I can't. I no make them cut my head.
I need to know am well. At least like 6 months.
Just see person for road, just for 1 month. Even 6 months is not possible. Even 6 months, it no fit just dey that possible. because you suppose know person where you want marry. You no go just see person. 1 month no dey enough for you to conclude marriage plan.
I feel know the little things you get about the person, but I'm not sure say I feel know everything about them, but I go know something. I go know 1 or 2 things about you within a month. Even if I no feel marry that person, you know, within a month.
Reason up now, how you go feel marry person where you just see for 1 month?
I feel marry the person even within a month if I know that these are the things where I like about the person, and anything will happen, you know, later. Now me go face the consequences.
That one is difficult though. Woman, when you just see for 1 month and you just marry him, that will be a little bit difficult now. It's a little bit difficult because 1, you don't know his lifestyle, you don't know his character, you don't know his behavior. Then at least somebody need to be studying somebody at least 3 months before they go into that.
You know, say woman a book. You need to read them back and front. If you read only 1 page, you don't kill yourself now. If you marry the wrong woman, I be say, you don't finish. So 1 month not will reach for me to study the woman, talk less of. Because for you to understand novel very well, you need to read them 2 times. So woman a book, you know, if you marry person you meet for just 1 month.
Yes, welcome back. Nasib Bobozi and you day, and you don't get every way people got stuck for street. If you just join us, you never to miss too much. Matter what they talk about today. Now say you fit marry person where you just know within the space of 1 month. Then the matter what they talk about today, and people don't talk plenty things outside already. They talk plenty things, but again one particular guy, that last guy we talk say yes, we understand say woman are like book. Show the film, but I don't see situations where we say people just meet. After 2 weeks, they don't plan to marry. Because nothing hard to marry. These days now, people really just walk enter court.
I really would like to just jump on this matter.
You know?
Okay, because for the first time,
for the
history of this show, street people,
they don't agree with us.
They don't agree with us at all.
And
we talk.
We can't agree.
We agree with each other for the first time.
But they don't agree with us.
Them don't agree with us.
Let me tell you why. I don't see the reason why. You know, say, 1 month he use 4 years build house. You will get money, people use 6 months. Finish the same
6
building.
6 months, far.
I mean, based on your ability. So it's simple. You know why we say it's possible? We are experienced men. We have seen, there's no how you will make a mistake. Like if you make a mistake in your marriage, then you're at fault. Because we don't see plenty. How many girls enter this bar, up and down? We have. How many have you not run things with? You know.
So even if you marry a woman where if you say something not correct,
it be like make
the power to correct.
Yes, thank you. It be like make just come on now. Maybe it's just come now. I can tell which one is a Ron's girl. Ashawo. We have discussed it here before. We know Ron's girl. We know Ashawo. We know the one where we say na good girl. We don't know where we say na good girl where go so spoil.
So I even believe say this matter again. This matter again, and I say you know say exposure matter can be very important again.
So you have to be exposed yourself.
If you are exposed, you'll be able to marry somebody you meet within space of 1 month.
Because in one month, it no dey practical.
See, you know the practical, yes, agree. But ma tell you one thing, what you need to know. Even woman where you deal with for 4 years before you marry and you never know.
You never see now.
Yes, now.
Woman where you deal with for 13 years before you marry, you never know and finish.
I've always said that if you go school to go read one course for 7 years,
you know,
then woman now for lifetime where you go live with her. So you need to spend. I agree.
You know why they see like say. Like you say, woman we live with for 4 years, you never feel no.
You never feel
to an extent, if you don't know your woman, even finish. But you know the reason why women they change by the day, by the things they see.
Now wait till
you understand?
There is influence.
Yes, woman will be say normally she get this character of say, okay, this is life. Life is
wake up in the morning, good food,
30-inch television. Then be good life. But you know, say the day when she go one house, come see 15-inch, she come, they say, Ben, a 15-inch, and then you call, they say, but you say na 30-inch you like before. You understand? So women, I don't use that one as an example to general life.
Women are easily influenced. And you see, I whether agree with them to make them stick to not doing this 1 month because we don't hear of late these days now. Where you could just before a woman go bite man penis.
No, not their opinion. We not tell on and say,
they know
okay, now. People for streets, as na talk, we no come against and say, they wrong.
No way.
But today, for bar,
we
just feel safe. I don't even know how I won't come to agree with this one today for the first time. Whether or not this election where they come, I don't know. We all come there 1 month.
Election is tomorrow. We have to speak in one mind. In fact, before we go,
so that let Nigeria be one.
We must sing national anthem today. Sing pledge to make sure that there's one mind.
The thing basically. We say pledge.
I say we must sing the national anthem
and
sing pledge. You say sing pledge.
I say sing pledge. Yeah. So your work that to hear everything about the you don't say I don't mumu yourself now. And they talk about the
wait, go tell me thank you.
We thank you.
Your uncle.
You are embarrassing in public.
He just corrected you. Correct you.
Your uncle. They say if you want to flog someone, you spark him quietly. Or you spark
him quietly. Give an spark him quietly.
You want to expose me in public.
Don't worry, we'll sing the pledge. Don't worry, we have
to. When we come back, we'll make PK the most. It's your opinion.
It's not in Igbo, it's in English.
I know fit, so I go marry a person that I just know for 1 month. I know fit. If I like the person, I think I can marry the person.
That one is under probability.
It go hard though.
To marry person where I know for 1 month, e no easy because I don't know in lifestyle, I don't know in character. I know fit.
You need to know yourself now. 1 month is too close. It's too close like that.
Human being they change. As time goes on, the person true color will they come up. So somebody where you know under 1 month, it go really hard, except na divine connection.
Yes, welcome back. Nasi Bobozi on top of Zobia TV. And my name now, after his opinion, is Chicha Chike, aka Ugo Matus. Sakara. Go my friend. Old students. Old students.
See, this thing where especially women they say, and before I marry person, or even men they talk and say, I need to know the person well. All those people will get bad character, where they dubious, where be say they be in fact they be right off. They get wife.
Yes, now.
They get husband. Somebody date them. He know them or know the character.
He married. He
married. So what do you there?
What do you really want to know?
What do you want?
Because
wait. You just want to know for knowing sake.
For don't knowing sake.
Don't be say they go back off.
So that you don't know if I can't jump inside the marriage.
So I don't understand.
Truth be told, let me tell you the truth. No matter how much you want to know somebody, most times now the men now go determine the. In fact, not even the men alone. The person now you determine how the relationship they take go, the direction. If you notice, say your woman, they always when you talk one, she will talk 10. Then no talk.
No stress. You
don't say your woman. Small thing where you do. Maybe I also say sometimes some girls won't give you blowjob. They know something. They use tits. They
chop carrots.
They chop carrots. If it cause fights. So you know they don't do that. You avoid it because I don't see my way be say as the girl they
and so women even they say when they say you know before they go do anything there's because what this boy is saying now is annoying men.
My brother.
But you always go the sexual.
No. These are issues affecting relationships. If a girl does not know how to give you a good BJ.
What will they talk? No be BJ. We not talk of BJ.
Hey, I don't hear that where they link them to with this way it cause problems in relationships. Because that's why
we're talking about if you feel marry person.
Why are you not transparent to the sexual way?
I don't want to hear
my brother, are you horny?
You blowjob the hungry, you just talk.
My brother talk, we make phone call for you. I don't even
blame him. You are not even blame him. You don't say no job for Nigeria again. The only job available is blowjob.
No. But you see, this issue of 1 month of a thing. Yes, we all know. You know, fair and say, you know, they're very pragmatic for anybody who say won't really put himself into them. But if you are a learned man, we know say people they change as the day they go by. Then if you really dive into it, because if I see girl now, that's the only condition. Like I've always said it. If Dangote comes, or maybe Dija, you know, and Dija, and I'm falling in love with Dija.
Your newest girl now we fall in love.
Rita Dominic now, they're falling.
How they call Rita Dominic? Now, you know.
Oh, but are you born this Rita Dominic?
Me and you first be like her.
I didn't know when I begin like him.
So no, Rita Dominic now be actress, you know.
Now I like.
Fuka Kidene,
you know see any why you know see any other bad man say there why you not follow.
Go for tough for that.
You will like big boobs.
Who like big boobs?
You will like big boobs. You don't see Kosi man you don't follow Kosi.
Glass tweets the hungry man.
Kosi showman loves you.
Very much alive. Kosi you name showman Bosco loves you. Look for him. Come to our office and look for him.
But you know, say Kosi, they misbehave. You carry all those things we carry, and children they motherless baby home.
They find breast to suck.
They suffer. You are
only you. Before I was telling you that if the woman has money, plenty money, like Dangote's daughter, in what is there? 1 month.
Oh yeah, I'm here with people gas talk on top social media. Make we hear their.
At Chidi Baby. He said, if the man gets all the qualities where I want, then why not? I mean, it's true. If you don't know, say the man don't get them, you don't, yeah.
And if the guy, you know, say the guy they fully ready, if he settle down within 1 month, what's
because
the big deal?
if I see a girl, I don't want to list my qualities before girls will begin they line up for here. I know them. So but if I see girl, we get everything I want, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You know, say girl, I go this program today before I come.
You go talk.
That's true.
They go blast me, go pull me like this. They ask me,
say what qualities?
And you know all those kind of things. And I know, and I won't just read. Understand?
I answer you answer when you say you just say.
When I just say, you know, say I answer one. I say, make them not look me like racist. I know to like black girl.
I don't want to hear. But you wicked.
No.
How you talk to like black girl? When you know say we black. Etiana black. Queen B black. Amaka black.
No, Queen B and Amaka still they on.
My brother, they are black. Black na black.
No, be that kind black at all. No, they're chocolate. They're chocolate.
For your man,
I like chocolate.
You know say we black, and I should talk so you know say we.
But I still say only my quality I mention no.
Sakara.
Say fair, and then outspoken, and then make she dey touch because me, na father of pigeon, to help my children career.
Sakara. You just this thing what you do now. You don't really mess up.
What thing I do now?
All these treaties where you mentioned, outspoken. That means you need person who speak English well, abi.
Because me I know the flow well.
All those girls where you go their show, now you speak English.
Who tell you? Can't come on.
You just wait. PG show now. Number two, they're all black. Number 3, you say wait to the.
They are chocolate.
No, what did you say? What's the number 3 again?
Number 3 quality.
And be that still.
No, you say outspoken.
Fair.
And touche.
No, and touche.
Touche.
They no come touche.
Who tell you?
More do what don't spoil.
No, tweet when I finish.
Man, we do what don't spoil.
Wait,
what don't spoil.
Because time.
You don't see him.
Well, it still boil down to the issue of 1 month.
You don't see him.
It boil down to the issue of 1 month.
I
You know why I like this thing?
And the Koku trust.
No, good. Of late, I don't hear too many things. And in fact, I want really sympathize with the family of I think Aisha, the girl where they work for.
No, you have to rephrase.
The girl where they work for Silver Bed. I understand how the boyfriend go carry,
you know, go.
So how can you?
That story.
How can you trust somebody now? Before if you sleep with your partner now, I don't tell say that's until if you carry any girl say come my house because I don't go feel sleep. I go do watchdog the whole of the night.
I don't tell her now what happen. Again, one girl will come house for night.
She can't
her ringtone. No. Ringtone, you know that small phone? Her ringtone, her cat.
Hey.
That cat on I support. So for night I come with the collar. I couldn't hear him. So I be like grip. Now I come wake up going and now blood of Jesus. I don't know how to pray. If you tell me how to pray like that.
Wait.
I say
how you pray?
I reject it. I find wherever this is coming from back to sender in Jesus' name.
Hold on. Meanwhile, I reject it. The condom when you wear, see your penis.
Get on the life.
I know you now. No matter what it is.
I beg, now here we go drop
the weight of our sin.
Now here we go drop when you come today.
Pray to God.
I beg, if now you, anyhow we take time, now here we go drop when you come today. I know say you don't enjoy today's episode of Bobo's Yarn. We not get last day because we don't get time. See, they don't go open door. They want for sure. Good night.